up, YouTube? It's your boy Catloco, and it finally came in. This is a 2004 Mercedes-Benz E500. I mean, it's not perfect. It needs some work. Like, might have to do something with the trunk. Trying to charge it up. I might take the battery out and swap it out with a new one. It has some paint issues, but that ain't a big deal. It doesn't have any major dents or anything. It's dirty right now, but shit, I rock it. I mean, the worst part about this car really is the driver's side interior. If you didn't know, my aunt blessed me with this car. She didn't need it anymore. She had a new one, and her boyfriend used to drive it, and he recently passed, so she needed to get rid of it because she got 3 of them now. But like, I gotta fix this, replace that, replace the center console. I could change the seat if I wanted to, steering wheel, some of the controls. And all these ashtrays are popped out. And he was a smoker, so I gotta get rid of the smoke smell. But yeah, it needs a thorough cleaning. But I mean, shit, like I said, I'll rock it how it is. I'll just clean the interior up. But this isn't on the priority list right now. We doing the Caprice. It needs new headlights, so I need to sand those down and restore them. Down at the bottom, that little plastic piece has some cracks in it. I probably can find a new one in the yard. A new one. Just little bits and pieces. Still a nice car. Yeah, I gotta clean it up and see what exactly I'm working with. But just want to give you a little update, show you the new project car. Car number 7. As always, remember to like, comment, definitely subscribe, share if you want. Peace.